Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa. Today I'm going to be doing a video about getting a hearing test, so if you're interested, keep watching. Hi, my name is Vanessa Garcia. Okay, so because I know most of you guys know, if you've been watching my videos since I started doing the TMJ videos, I have had symptoms of like ear pressure, like ear hurting, blah, 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 tinnitus. So through all that, my TMJ doctor just wanted me to go get a hearing test just to make sure that all the symptoms from my TMJ that caused all the ear pain didn't affect my hearing. So I did go get a hearing test. I got it in September, at the end of September, and I did get my results that day, but I just like didn't think to make a video of it. But someone mentioned it in my comments. I'm like, oh, I should make a video about like TMJ, ear pain, and hear loss. So I went to this place called Americans for Better Hearing Foundation. That's like where so first I had to, my TMJ doctor wanted me to go back to my ENT, and then I went to my ENT doctor, that's the ear, nose, throat doctor, and then that doctor had to, give me a referral and an appointment for a hearing test with an audiologist. So yeah, we went to the American for Better Hearing Foundation. I have like notes right here. And basically they did 2 tests on me. The first one was called pure tone audiometry. And basically, the doctor who was there, she put in like these headphones inside my ears, and it's like literally it's like a microphone or a speaker or whatever it is, a headphone that's like super thin. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to find something thin over here. That's not thin at all. Just basically something thin, like a Q-tip or something that could go into your ear. And she started playing different sounds on her computer, and if I heard the sound, I would raise my hand. So the first test was for, I believe, my like left side, my right side of my ear, and the second test was for my right side. So part 1 was called pure tone audiometry, and the second one was speech audiometry. So I'll show you guys like what it kind of looked like. So that was like the graph that they have. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's like the blue and the red and just like their little legend on the side. So it'll say like my right side, my left side, and then there's a thing that says BIL. I don't know if that means like bilateral hearing. And then they wrote some notes at the end. So it was very quick. It took like 5 minutes. And then at the end, the girl like explained everything to me, the doctor. And basically, she was saying that my hearing's pretty great, that the TMJ has not affected my hearing at all, which is like amazing. And this is the notes that she put down. Patient was seen for an audiometric assessment. Pure tone audiometry revealed normal hearing bilaterally and excellent word recognition bilaterally. Recheck hearing if any change occurs. Right, so the first one, the pure tone, she did my right and my left. And basically, it was just like a beep, beep. But some of them were so faint that I literally was like, am I imagining these beeping sounds, or is it actually beeping? So then basically, like if I heard it on my left ear, I'd raise my left hand. And I had to be just like completely still to like hear everything. And then the second thing she did, oh, and the beeps got quieter and quieter. So I was like, I'm making these up. Like, I literally felt like I was making these up. And I asked her, I'm like, I feel like I made some of those. Like, I just like heard them in my head. She's like, no, you heard them. And that's like how you know you have good hearing, that you heard these faint sounds that you feel like you're imagining them. So that was cool. The second one was the speech. So you would hear, it's like a man's voice, and you would hear him say like cat, and then you would repeat it out loud. So I was like literally like this for like 2 minutes. I was like cat, bat, milk. And it was just like a whole bunch of different words. I can't remember what they were, but they were like 1 or 2 syllable words. And then I would just like repeat it. So that's why she put that, like, I had excellent word recognition bilaterally. And yeah, she was basically saying like if anything else changes, you know, to come back. But it seems that my ear symptoms and every time my ear hurts or I feel ear pressure, I do not lose any, I have not lost any hearing, which is like amazing. So if you feel like your ear symptoms through your TMJ have affected you, it's definitely a good idea to just check with your ENT and see if they could schedule you for a hearing test, just so you can have like peace of mind. Like, yeah, I do have ear symptoms and like for right now it's hurting, but it's not causing me any hear loss. So yeah, that's my video. I know it's kind of short, but if you guys liked it, please give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 800 subscribers. I'm so close. And yeah, that's my video. Thanks again to everyone who watches my videos. You guys mean a lot to me, and I love hearing all of your comments and seeing all your comments and all your updates. And yeah, I love you, cuties. Bye.